Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to share something that Notebook GPT has that is absolutely amazing. So notice it's an AI video generator. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add the text, and that's what I want. Next, I'm going to configure this. So the size is fine. But I want to change the duration to 10 seconds and to 4K. Want to include sound, of course. And that's it. So next I'm going to go into generate a video. And it's added to queue and it's generating. So let's wait for that. Now, if you don't want to wait around, you don't have to, because you can come back whenever you want to and go into My Videos right here. And you'll see where it's at. Notice it's still generating. These are some of the ones that I've already created. Let me show you this one.
Welcome to Virtual Worlds MOOC 2026, running from August 2nd to 31st. Learn and earn certificates.
That I created for another course. Now notice here on the right, you can download it, you can get rid of it, or you can generate another video using that video. Let's go back to ours and see how it's going. And it's done, so let's play it.
It started as a 3-day event.
And here it goes in a larger format.
It started as a 3-day event in 2011. This year, it's a free 1-day online conference. It is organized by and for educators. Everyone is welcome to attend.
And that's it, short and sweet. If that's what you need, Notebook GPT is the tool for you. To learn more about Notebook GPT, please add questions and comments in the comment box below. Subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.